Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Picks. Today we're diving into the best paddleboards of 2025. If you've been thinking about getting into SUP, that's stand-up paddleboarding for the newcomers, then you're in the right place. We've tested 6 incredible boards, and I'm going to rank them from good to absolutely amazing. Don't forget to check out all the product links in the description below. I've got direct links to the best prices for each of these boards. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 6, we have the Badfish SUP Flyweight. And let me tell you, this board is all about one thing, being ridiculously lightweight. At just 18 pounds, this is hands down one of the lightest boards you'll find anywhere. The board itself performs well, it's stable and tracks straight, and that pointed nose really helps you cut through the water. I love the bright color scheme too, it definitely turns heads at the lake. The Velcro water bottle strap is a nice touch, though I'll be honest, I kept accidentally kicking my bottle when waves came through. Inflation is quick because there's less volume to fill, and it folds up super compact. The construction quality is top-notch. Badfish really knows how to build durable boards. But here's my issue. Unless you're hiking miles to remote lakes or have serious back problems, you're paying almost $900 primarily for weight savings. There are better value options out there that perform just as well. At number 5, we've got the Isle Pioneer 3, and this board is what I call the no-drama option. It's perfect for beginners who want something that just works without any fuss or complications. The Pioneer 3 is incredibly stable, like almost impossible to tip over stable. Whether you're doing yoga poses, bringing your dog along, or just learning to paddle, this board will keep you upright. The welded rails make it more durable than many competitors, and at 19 pounds, it's reasonably light to carry around. What really impressed me about Isle is the attention to detail. They include a wheeled carry case, yes, wheels, which is a game changer if you're walking any distance. The front and back cargo straps are perfect for gear, and they even designed the fin box to split in the middle so you don't have to worry about bending it when rolling up the board. Those are the kind of thoughtful touches that show a company really understands their customers. The board glides beautifully through water and tracks straight even in windy conditions. It's not the most maneuverable, it takes a few extra strokes to turn compared to some others, but for casual paddling it's more than adequate. Coming in at number 4 is the Boat Breeze Aero Classic, and this is where things start getting really interesting. At $699, this board offers serious value without cutting corners on quality. Boat's Aero lineup is their inflatable series, and the Breeze Classic sits right in the sweet spot for versatility. It's a 10-foot 6-inch board, which is perfect for most paddlers. Not too long to be unwieldy, not too short to be unstable. The construction is impressive, with military-grade PVC and over 10,000 composite stitch fibers running through the core for rigidity. What I love about this board is how well it handles different water conditions. That slightly rockered nose cuts through choppy water beautifully, and the 3-fin setup, 2 small fixed fins plus a removable 10-inch center fin, gives you excellent tracking. You can even paddle in shallow water using just the side fins. The BVA foam deck pad is comfortable and grippy, and there's a bungee system on the front for storing gear. Now, it doesn't have the rear bungee system like the more expensive HD Aero, but honestly, most people don't need storage on both ends anyway. Boat even includes an innovative shoulder sling that clips to the side, another one of those thoughtful details that makes your life easier. The board inflates to a nice rigid feel and performs well in both calm and choppy conditions. At number 3, we have the ROC Scout, and this is the board that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get quality. Here's the secret about the Scout. It's frequently available at massive discounts below its MSRP, making it one of the best values in the entire paddleboard market. The Scout comes as a complete package with everything you need: the board, paddle, pump, ankle strap, seat, and even a small dry bag. For beginners, this is perfect because you're not hunting down accessories separately. The board itself is surprisingly well built for the price point, with way less flex than other budget options. What really impressed our test team was how well this board kept up with more expensive models. One of our testers noted that during group paddles, the Scout never felt like it was holding anyone back. The three-fin system provides excellent tracking, and the board handles wind, river currents, and flat water with confidence. The stability is fantastic. It doesn't feel bouncy or tippy in choppy water like some budget boards do. It's also surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to transport and handle both on land and in the water. The Scout lands at number 3 because of its incredible value proposition. If you can catch it on sale, and it goes on sale frequently, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better deal for a quality board. It's not the most refined paddleboard in our list, but it's reliable, stable, and gets the job done at a fraction of the cost of premium options. Coming in at number 2 is the Boat Wolf Aero, and this board is what I call the performance sweet spot. It delivers high-end performance at a reasonable price, making it our top pick for serious recreational paddlers. The Wolf Aero absolutely excels in challenging conditions. We took this board out on a really windy day with choppy water coming from every direction, and it just carved through everything like a knife through butter. The gradually tapered nose and longer center fin work together to create incredible stability and tracking. The lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, and it folds up incredibly compactly for transport. The pump-up process is straightforward, and the strategically placed handles make it easy to get from your car to the water. Build quality is excellent throughout. The materials feel premium, the construction is solid, and all the additional features are thoughtfully designed. The price point is reasonable for what you're getting. This is definitely a board that punches above its weight class. And our number 1 pick is the Boat HD Aero 11 feet 6 inches. And let me tell you why this board earned the top spot. At $999, it's the most expensive board on our list, but it's also the most capable and versatile paddleboard we've ever tested. This is the inflatable version of Boat's most popular rigid board, the HD Gator Shell, and it delivers that same legendary performance in a packable format. At 11 feet 6 inches, it's longer than most boards, which translates to better speed and tracking, but it's still incredibly stable thanks to that displaced hull design with the slightly rockered nose. What makes this board special is its versatility. Want to go fast? The 2 small fixed fins plus the removable 10-inch center fin will have you gliding effortlessly. Need to carry gear? The bungee systems on both the nose and tail provide tons of secure storage. Going fishing? It's compatible with Boat's rack system for tackle and gear. The HD Aero earns the number 1 spot because it's the most complete paddleboard package available. Yes, it's expensive, but you're getting premium construction, innovative features, exceptional performance, and the versatility to handle anything from casual lake days to serious multi-day adventures. Those are our top 6 paddleboards of 2025, from lightweight fan favorite to all-around beast. Dive deeper with the full reviews. Check links in the description before you go. Drop a comment. Which board are you taking on your next adventure? And smash that like button if you found this helpful. We've got more gear breakdowns coming your way. Thanks for watching Consumer Picks. Catch you next time on the water.